To be continued, dot, dot, dot. Cliffhanger, my life is like I'm scaling a rock in a song. Hard rhymes, hard beats, hard cuts, hip hop. Gangstar, KRS-One, Rakim, EPMD. All the people that showed me how to present myself, how to make a song, how to rock a crowd. This is my tribute to them. Ups and downs occur in life. I did a roller coaster video to narrate that perfectly. Sid Rome's, DJ Revolution. Y'all check this shit out. Love.
10 Commandments, 24 hours. The 13th floor was missing in the towers. I thought I shouldn't be here, but stayed an extra day because they said it's leap year. Who's the wolf in sheep's clothing? Fuck it, the rabbit hit the drum and kept going. Each word is the church and minister. Approach, I coerce the listener, so listen up. Kitten park bench rhythms up till I vision the flow. I stay at home sitting visitor. Radio, I visit station nights. It's kinda like they fucking visitation rights. This ain't the place for my face and lights. I'm type driven, living in a fucking shadowless life. I dilate like pay attention. Slow flow just arose when mentions. I didn't die lately, I just slept on bed springs. Can't define people, I just see dead things. It ain't just rap, I body ladies in one line. Talking slick to 3 chicks on text at one time. I see shattered words, they left broken pieces. Lines undone, half uncompleted. To be continued, dot, dot, dot. Cliffhanger, my life is like I'm scaling a rock in a song.